Hi there, this is Sam and this is my orientation overview. I broke my PowerPoint up into four main concepts, the first being growth versus fixed mindsets, program outline, policies, and assessments. This slide represents growth mindset versus fixed mindset, and we can see the two side by side and just how a growth mindset can help students change their outlook on school and learning. When you have a growth mindset, you are able to accept challenges and view them as learning opportunities. Think of learning as brain training, become inspired by the success of others, learn to give and receive constructive criticism, and look at failure as growth. Whereas a fixed mindset leaves you in a rut and you avoid challenges by staying away from new experiences. You're threatened by the success of others, unable to handle criticism or feedback, and understands failure as the limit of ability. This slide just represents all of those words and puts them into a picture form, and I thought these were kind of cool, and they show how a growth mindset can really allow you to see different things. This slide represents the program outline for our 3 semesters. The fall of 2020 will be 5 hours of observing in a classroom or via Zoom, and you're a full-time student. For the spring of 2021, we are teaching full-time for 10 weeks, and we are also full-time students. For the fall of 2021, we student teach for 12 to 13 weeks with a light course load, and we focus on the EdTPA. Some of the policies that this program highlights is that school is our #1 priority during this next year and a half, that we should always communicate with our cohort leaders, professors, and peers, especially if we have trouble with something. We need to attend class and be present, meaning we need to be able to answer any questions that are asked of us and be ready to comment on anything. I put brag in here because it reminded me of my liberal studies program through SDSU, and that just means to be professional, be kind, respect your reputation, grow your experiences, and grow a growth mindset. We need to also develop time management skills, practice self-care, and support our peers while keeping a 3.0 cumulative GPA and a minimum of a C. Some assessments that we have towards the end and kind of in between include the EdTPA, which happens during our last semester of the program, which is our teaching performance assessment, our ESAs, embedded signature assessments, which we will learn more about, and our evaluation forms, which include midterms and finals. Thanks for watching, and I'm excited for a great year.